Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you Gcash Gloan page not loading problem or Gcash Gloan something went wrong, page could not be loaded, please try again at a later problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, again click on manage apps, search Gcash app, click on storage, again click on clear data, click on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store or Apps Store, tap on search, search Gcash app, update your Gcash application. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all 3 steps to fix Gcash Gloan page not loading problem. Gcash Gloan something went wrong, page could not be loaded. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.